Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your printer with HP beginner guide step by step clearly. To reset your HP printer, first, ensure that it is powered on. Locate the power button on your printer. Press the power button to turn off the printer. Once it's turned off, unplug the power cord from the back of the printer. Next, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Wait at least 60 seconds before proceeding to the next step. After the wait, plug the power cord back into the wall outlet. Now, reconnect the power cord to the back of the printer. Press the power button to turn the printer back on. Allow the printer to go through its initial startup process. Wait until the printer is fully powered on and ready. If your printer has a control panel, navigate to the Settings menu. Find the option for Restore Factory Defaults or Reset. Select this option to reset your printer settings. Follow any additional prompts that may appear on the screen. Once the reset process is complete, your printer will restart automatically. Your HP printer is now reset and ready for use. Check if you need to reinstall any software or drivers on your computer. You can now set up your printer preferences as desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.